Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set your clock and time on your Audi A1 or S1 via the infotainment system.
So we have a seat at the driver's seat in our car. First step, turn on the ignition. Do not turn on the vehicle itself. And you can see there it is, the clock. And you can set or make a setup of the clock with the set button, of course, but we are going to use the infotainment system of your Audi. For this, we are going to the right side and have a look over there. This is the Audi multimedia infotainment system, and this is to control it. But where is the screen? The screen is over there. We have to push on top, and there it is. Good job. And now we can see there are some options available: car, info, media, radio, tune, setup, and time. So let's have a look how we can set this timing. For example, we are using this knob to rotate between some menus. Good job. And then to enter, we have to press this button. But there is something more on the left upper side and on the right upper side, where how we can reach this. Have a look there. There are 4 buttons. Here is left upper side. This is the button for set up now the time. Let's push there, and there we can see this is a time setup. How we can use this? We are using the knob again to navigate up and down, and to set the time, we have to push, and then we have to push again if we like to change the hours or the minutes. Let's change the minutes to 9:03. Job's done. Push again, and we set the time in all of time machines here. You can see there it is too, 9:03. Next step is going up and down by using the date, like before, manual summertime, or you can change the time zone, you can change the time format, AM, PM setup, or 24 hours, and you can change the day and month setup. If you finished your work, you have to push here. Here you can see the back button, and then go back to the main menu. Job's done. Easy going, as you can see. So there it is, how to set up your watch in your Audi A1 Sportback, for example, and you are going to use this infotainment system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.